Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing the special cucumber chutney. So let's get started with the recipe. To make cucumber chutney, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in half of a cucumber roughly chopped. If the cucumber is small, you can use one whole cucumber. Half cup grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, a small piece of ginger, a small handful of coriander leaves. I am tearing the leaves and adding in 1 green chilli or as needed, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, a couple of tablespoon water, and I am going to grind this to a fine chutney. Pour the blended cucumber chutney into a serving bowl. For tadka, I am heating my cast iron tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts to crackle, I am adding in 2 sliced shallots, some whole red chilies, sprig of fresh curry leaves. Give it a stir. Allow the shallots to turn light golden brown in color. Pour the tadka over the chutney. And my super healthy cucumber chutney is ready to serve.